welcome to my channel where today we have my third Haverdash unboxing. Now I'm going to apologize in advance. I just recently had surgery last week, so I'm not feeling quite as my spunky self, but there's a keep price on a dress in here that I'm absolutely dying to see, and I really want to get as many boxes as I possibly can. So that's part of the reason that I am doing this video without waiting. So on that note, let's go ahead and get into this box. Shaky, shaky, come on. Okay, there we go. So we have our handy dandy packaging. And then we are going ahead and let's put this upside down. The sticker, and we have our cute fabric. We've got this pretty blue one. We've got this blue one, and then we got a zebra striped one. So, I'm gonna get into the tissue paper. So this blue one is got these really pretty sparkles all down it. And I'm pretty sure the keep price on this is $20. So this is I cannot find the brand on it. Normally they have the tag where you can like see it, but I see the liner and I do not see the tag. Well, I'll get back to you on what brand that is. This one is the one that I'm really excited to try. This dress's keep price is $7, which you can't really see it very well. It's got this cool lace detail, middle see-through detail, and it's called an A. Callan by Flying Tomatoes, size medium. That's really cute. And then I've got the zebra stripe dress. And the lining is already coming out, sorry guys. But this is by Hayden. It's a size medium. The keep price on this is $26.50 or $25.50, one of those. But I thought it would be really cute to try. This one I already know did not come down much based on the price, retail price of the dress, which I think was like $43. So on that note, I will be back once I have tried the dresses on. So this is the blue dress that I could not find the brand on. The keep price on this is $20. I think it flows so nicely. It was a little hard to get zipped. My husband did have to help zip in the back. But it's just a very classic, pretty floral dress with some sparkles to it. I don't think it's my style. Either I gained a little weight with the surgery, or it just fits a little weird. Like, it's very flowy. I love the sleeves. It just fits a little weird. Now, as for this dress, I did try to wear it for you guys. It does not fit me. So either the size is wrong, because it's all suggested sizing on Haverdash, or like I said, I gained a little weight. So I'm sorry that I could not try this on for you, because this is the one I would have kept if it had fit me. But on that note, I will try to be back in the zebra dress. So I'm back in the zebra striped dress, and honestly, this is my favorite dress out of the three. If I had been able to fit in the other one, I probably would have said that about that one. This was the easiest to get on. It's got such a pretty zebra-y detail. Zebra-y, that's awesome. But, and it flows really greatly. Plus, it shows the tattoo I got for my kids very well on the back. So, I mean, I absolutely love it. But one of the great things about Haverdash is you do not have to keep everything in the bag. Sometimes you can try them on, wear them around a little bit, just for fun, and then you can send them on their way, which we'll see. But on that note, I'll be right back. So looking at this dress, I honestly feel like this is really, really pretty. I wish I could keep it. It's just that the keep price on this dress makes me really, really hesitate, especially because I know that it obviously is not exactly a lot on sale. It's probably newer, and it makes me a little sad that I wish I could keep something out of this box and I can't. So, but either way, this was probably my favorite. It's priced at $25.50 to keep. This dress, the blue one, is priced at $20 to keep. If it had fit me a little bit better, wasn't so hard to get in and out of, I probably would have kept it. And then this dress, if it would have fit, I would have kept it because it was only $7 to keep. Normally I'd be able to give you more brands and stuff, but I cannot find them very easily on the dress. And I use my phone to record my YouTube videos. So sorry about how this one turned out. I'm kind of a little bummed with the whole packaging in general. Hopefully by the time I get my next box, I'll be feeling a little bit better, be able to reach a little bit better and get in and out of my clothes. Maybe I'll try some loungewear, try to get in 2 more boxes before the end of the month. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, subscribe. And tell me what dress was your favorite. I mean, besides the one that you didn't see. I mean, if you like the detail, you can tell me about that, I guess. But I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.